Okay, run-up check complete. Headed to Okmulgee for the air show. Avionics are set, trim set, flaps are set. All we need to do is get the mixture. And we'll take off to the south.
Thompson traffic, Skyhawk 879er, back taxi 17, Thompson. Thompson traffic, Skyhawk 879ers, departing 17 eastbound, Thompson.
Grass is plenty thick down here, huh?
Nice.
Except for when you're trying to roll. Airspeed's good, tack's good, pressure's good. Party going on over there. Not a good one. Okay, clear the obstacles.
Warning, terrain, terrain. Warning, terrain, terrain. Warning, terrain, terrain.
0, clear. Below 1, 2,000.
Warning,
Temperature
terrain,
2 Celsius, dew point 1, 3.
Warning,
Altimeter
terrain,
3,
terrain.
0, 7.
Warning, terrain, terrain.
All right.
Max
Warning,
Westheimer
terrain,
Airport.
Automatic
terrain.
weather observation 1, 3, 3, 8.
Warning,
Zulu.
terrain.
Weather, wind 1, 7, 0 at 1, 1. Visibility 1, 0, clear. Below.
Wish Garmin would hurry up and fix that problem.
I was just about to say that. Hashtag Garmin.
Good morning, Oak City approach, Skyhawk 79er, 879er.
Skyhawk 79er, 879er, Oak City.
Skyhawk 79er, 879er is just off of Thompson Field in Tuttle, 2,200, climbing 5,500. Request VFR flight following to Oscar Kilo Mike.
And you were a Skyhawk for November 879er, correct?
879er, affirmative. Ready for the squawk.
Number 1, Charlie Mike, descend and maintain 3,000, Westheimer 12 o'clock, 15 miles. Skyhawk 879er, squawk 2361.
2361, 879er.
Skyhawk 879er's radar contact, Oak City altimeter 3008, climb on course Okmulgee and say altitude leaving.
008 and leaving 2,600 on course Okmulgee, 879er. That's nice.
Number 1, Charlie Mike, clear visual approach, runway 18, contact Westheimer Tower 118.0. Cessna 879er, for your climb, for now, fly heading of 090, I'll have on course for you in about 10 miles.
090, 879er. It was too good to be true.
I see what's going on. Every night when I've been driving home from work, it smells like petrochemicals.
Yeah.
They're doing that spreading on that field down there. Because it's
Gotcha.
about this area where you always smell it on the turnpike.
Yep. 3,500 for 5,500. All right, established in cruise.
Glad we have flight following.
Why?
Visibility is garbage.
Yeah, it's really not very good this morning, especially flying this way. Or the other way.
Cessna 79er 879er, contact Fort Worth Center 132.2.
132.2, 879er, thanks for your help.
Cardinal 033, if you're not already, come at my frequency on 124.2. Thank you. Number 266.
132.2. Thank you. Good morning, Fort Worth Center, Skyhawk 79er 879er, 5,500.
79er 879er, Fort Worth Center, roger. On the couch, altimeter 3011.
3011, 879er. All right. I was hedging my bets. I was wondering if they'd just hand us to Tulsa. But no. It makes sense they'd do Fort Worth Center. Because there's a pretty big gap.
Okmulgee Regional Airport. Automated weather observation. 1417 Zulu. Weather. Wind 210 at 8. Visibility 3 quarters. Haze. Indefinite ceiling 500. Temperature 24 Celsius. Dew point 15. Altimeter 3008.
Okmulgee Intercom. For transient aircraft coming to the air show, you land, taxi on the parallel taxiway back to Bravo, and you'll enter Bravo and taxi past all the show planes to the back of the old closed runway there. Thank you.
Okay.
Did it say ceiling indefinite?
Yeah. And 3/4 haze. But I don't believe it.
I don't know that I've ever heard of an indefinite ceiling.
Their stuff's broken. Yesterday everything was VFR and they were saying like 000.
There's another one under us.
An airplane?
No,
Row house.
yeah. They're everywhere.
Big business, I guess. Alright, parallel taxiway. So we're gonna go over here, I think. Safe Taxi doesn't tell you what taxiway that is. They said look for Bravo, so that's what we're gonna look for. But yeah, we'll taxi off here off the runway, taxi the parallel, and then parked on this side of the closed runway.
79er 879er, contact Pulse Approach 124.0.
79er 879er, we can go ahead and cancel flight following at this time.
79er 879er, roger. Radio service terminated. Squawk VFR, frequency changes approved. Have a good day.
Squawk VFR, thanks for your help today, 879er. You got it? Thank you. Alright, 123, we're going to start our descent. And fuel cycle about both, mixtures enriching, lights are on. Coming into Okmulgee, looking for 17.
Okmulgee traffic, Skyhawk 879er, left crosswind 18, Okmulgee. Okmulgee traffic, Skyhawk 879er is left downwind 18, Okmulgee.
More than 90. Wind's pushing us out.
Feels weird.
Yeah. Might see if we can land
Short.
kinda short to make that taxiway. Otherwise we're gonna have to taxi back down the taxiway.
Okmulgee traffic, Skyhawk 879er is left base 18, Okmulgee.
Just kind of hanging up here.
Yep.
Final look clear?
Yeah. I see your shadow.
5651 Romeo, turn in left crosswind, runway 18, will be power off 180, full stop, 66.
Okmulgee traffic, Skyhawk 879er is final, 18, full stop, Okmulgee.
Aircraft landing at Okmulgee, what's the traffic pattern there?
Say again?
What's the traffic pattern, left or right?
Left traffic.
All right, thanks.
Don't hit the green lights.
Nicely done.
Thank you. Flaps up.
Up.
Yep.
Okmulgee traffic, Skyhawk 879er is clear, 18, taxi to parking, Okmulgee.
879er, Graham.
I gotcha.
Are you, what are your intentions, sir? Are you here for the show? You need fuel?
We're going to stay for the air show.
Look at that crosswind.
Plan on staying for the entire show?
879er, affirmative.
Roger that. Take your first right and follow me through the air show.
All right, we'll take the first right.
Follow me, he says. I'm going to assume it's this white truck.
That's what I was thinking.
I don't see a follow me sign, but we heard on the AWAS frequency where to go, so
Yeah.
this checks.
Okmulgee traffic, Baron 53 Quebec Mike. Be crossing overhead at 2,500. We'll be joining a midfield left downwind, Okmulgee.
Got all these cool airplanes. Surely we're not the first ones.
Okmulgee traffic, Baron 53 Quebec Mike, crossing over midfield. 2,000.
Oh, look at all the
I
rock.
know, I was just about to say that.
Downwind.
Do we want to shut down and push?
Hey, if you want to make your spin right here on this good pavement and then just push back.
That's what we were just thinking. You want us right here at the end of this gray part?
Roger that.
You got it.
Welcome to Okmulgee.
Thank you.
Oh, I don't like this.
It's fine. Just keep the power down. That airport where I picked up Ron, the whole freaking runway looked like this. Okay, we made it to Okmulgee. We'll shut her down and push back. Start up to shutdown, that's pretty good.